The first shot that we did in Hey Ram was again my screen test for Hey Ram. And so here I am, this tomboy from Bangalore, with short hair and everything. I'm being thrown into the deep end literally. I have to wear a 9-yard sari and wear this big long braid, and I have an allergy to long hair, you know, I just hate it. And then I have to wear this, sari and makeup and all of it, completely alien to me. And I have to walk into the room with a glass of milk. This is supposed to be the night after the wedding. And I have to have a conversation with Kamal, and it was quite unreal. That was my screen test, and that was actually the first shot that we did in Hey Ram. But when it came to actually shooting the film, the first scene that we shot was the one where I'm singing. That's why I say that he was really understanding as a filmmaker, because he knew that this was something so new to me, and he said, today you won't feel that out of place. All you have to do is sing. So that was my first day on set at work as an actress. My first song shoot was Vaishnava Janato in Hey Ram. So I had to play the Tanpura and sing Vaishnava Janato, and there was Ambi, Dr. L. Subramaniam's son, Ambi, playing the violin. And I remember very clearly that, it was a long shoot. There were so many people, in the foreground and the background, that all had little parts that needed to be shot while the song was going on. That poor little Ambi fell asleep right after the lunch break on top of his violin, sitting like that. And Kamal saw this, and one of his ADs was just about to wake him up, and he said, no, just wait. And we waited for 10 minutes and gave him a little 10-minute nap. Then we woke him up. But that was my first song in a film that we shot, yeah. First dubbing experience didn't come until very much later. Hey Ram was completely sync sound. Monsoon Wedding was my second film, which again completely sync sound. I remember that the first time that we dubbed was when we dubbed a Hindi version of Monsoon Wedding, because when we shot in English. We all spoke in English in Monsoon Wedding. So that was the first time I dubbed, when we dubbed Monsoon into Hindi. That was Ravana Prabhu, of course, and it was fantastic. I had such a ball. The first 5, just before Ravana Prabhu, I had been shooting a Tamil film called Citizen, and we'd shot every single thing about this film almost in close quarters in a studio. So I was feeling very constrained, and I just needed to break free somehow. And then came Ranjit and he said, okay, so for the first 5 days you are running. You are just running and running and running. So the first 5 days we shot that song Pattu Kuttari, which had me running in paddy fields and running next to the stream, running in the backwaters. I was just running for 5 days. It was so liberating, I can't tell you. But yeah, that was my first Malayalam film, and I really enjoyed it a lot.
யாரையும் காணுமே, எங்க போச்சம்மா? கடவுளே!
Thank God! Definitely Hey Ram, because that was my first film, and I remember that it was playing in Rex over here, I think, and my entire family wanted to see it because they were so excited. More than me being in it, they were excited that Kamal Haasan was in it. So they all wanted to see it because of him. And so my mum had to actually book an entire week of shows just for my family. So everyone went and saw it. I don't know what they had to say after it, but it was definitely an experience. So thank you so much for taking the time out of your lives, because it's because of all of you that we do what we do. So thank you for taking so much time out of your lives and giving people like us so much love. It means a lot to every single one of us. So keep going to the movies, keep enjoying the entertainment. We're here to entertain you. I hope you're being entertained.